Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen special Android turn system head unit for Toyota FJ Cruiser 26 to 2019 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. It comes with special harness. So plug and play. It power and speaker. Stereo controls, this audio cable, and radio antenna. Okay, it comes with this ribbon, white ribbon for the original danger button and the other button you can check. This is built-in microphone reset hole. Okay, you can choose the time, you can choose logo and navy. Check the settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You also can choose the Toyota logo. And when you back to home, choose the logo, it change the, you can edit the theme color with gray, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. It's gray. And the red, let me choose the red color. Okay, choose the Belsee back. Or if here it builds APK installer, it's Z-Link app and ODB2, YouTube app, Easy Connect. Okay, and Bluetooth, this is amplifier, DSP amplifier, and it's built-in Google Maps and built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Settings, this Z-Link app. Let's check the settings. You can check Motion PX6 chip and PX6 hardware, CPU, Android 10 system. Okay, and other settings, storage you can check total 64 GB, and network built-in Wi-Fi and hotspot from your phone. It's 4G mobile network by USB dongle. Okay, this Z-Link app for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. Back to home, and you can long press to choose the app music. Choose the music app. When you click it, open the music. Okay, first let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check this pin number 40. This pair. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Enable Bluetooth. Okay. Click search button. Okay, please put the 40. Okay, pair the device and show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with free phone call from your phone. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it supports streaming music from your phone. Okay, you can. This navy built in Google Maps. You can play video from your video disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find the setting, car setting, driver setting, turn on the watching video. Full screen. It supports play 4K video. Iceland. It's 4K video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, that's all. Thank you.